Hey everyone, this is Josh from Green Mountain Grills, and today I'm going to explain the wiring on any Green Mountain grill. Alright, first what you're going to want to do is unplug the grill. Next, take a 7mm socket or crescent wrench and remove the 2 screws holding the panel on. After you pull out the control panel, you can see your 3 multi-plug connections, and then you also have the low pellet alarm and the thermal sensor wire. So with these multi-plug quick disconnects, you have one here that goes to your igniter wires and your power cord wires. And then this next one here goes to your auger motor and the other one to your combustion fan. And these 3 multi-plug quick disconnects can't get mixed up. They're all specific for the part that they're going to. The only difference on a Prime compared to a Prime Plus is this multi-plug disconnect point for the igniter wires and the power cord wires. On a regular Prime, the igniter wire and the power wires are wired directly to the board. So it's important to note the position of the thermal sensor connection. You want to make sure that you have it connected to the terminal that's closest to this chip right here. Next, we'll have a look at the wiring on a Choice control panel. You notice here on the top left part is the connection for your thermal sensor. On the top right, you have the connection for your low pellet alarm. And here you have your wiring harness with the multicolored wires coming off of it. The 2 red wires go to your igniter. 2 black wires go to your auger motor, and here you would have 4 blue fan wires, 2 fan wires that go to your combustion fan and 2 that go to your hopper fan. And then here are the ports for the power cord wires. If you notice on the control panel side of the wiring, you have a fuse holder wire here, and the way that goes in there, when it's connected together, you want to have the white wire from the power cord lined up with this black fuse holder wire, and then the black wire will be on the other terminal. If you need to remove any wires out of the harness, what you'll need to do is grab a small micro driver or screwdriver flathead and stick it in the inside portion of the harness, and you'll notice the little tabs on the inside. You just bend those tabs down and you'll be able to pull it out from the backside. And to put the wire back, you'll take the tab on the wire that you pulled out, bend it back, and then just click it back into place. Okay, and this is the wiring for a Davy Crockett. You'll see the multicolor wires here. You got the 2 red and white wires here for your igniter. You got the red and blue wires here for your combustion fan. And you got the red and yellow wires here for your auger motor. These last 2 wires, the red and black, go to the female hopper plug on the grill. And then here you have the thermal sensor wire, just attaches right there. If you have a different version of the wiring harness and you have different color wires, it's the same series as the new version, but you'll notice that the blue wires are for the igniter here. You got the red and black ones for the combustion fan, and then you also have another set of red and black wires going to your auger motor, and then the last set is the same for the female hopper plug. And that's it. That's the wiring for any Green Mountain grill. For any more tips and tricks, go to greenmountaingrills.com to our video section to find more.